Oh my god, I didn't get locked up.
Don't worry, Ike, it's not a big deal.
Yeah, I've been unlocked before and I was fine.
Oh man, I don't know. I'm freaking out. Okay, just relax, Ike. Huh? What? Wait, what's going on? Oh no! It doesn't have to come to this. You can take anything you want, man. You want my pedals? Fine, they're yours. Take them. Help? Anyone? Please?
According to PUPD, in 2010, 90 bikes went missing. In 2011, there were 60.
To reduce the risk of theft, register a bike with the Purdue Campus Police.
And use a sturdy lock and secure each part of the bike together. For questions, call PUPD. What in the